Cooking in the kitchen, cooking in the kitchen, always cooking in the kitchen.
Welcome back
To Cooking in the Kitchen. And as you can see, this pupper is very excited to see you.
He is ready. This is our buddy Duke.
Yes.
And introduce yourself, Morgan, for anyone that hasn't watched us before.
My name is Morgan, Jodi's best cooking partner.
And I am Jodi Edstrom. I am the library director for Carver County Library System. And we are so glad to be here with you again.
Yeah, he's feeling very excited.
He is. So we always feature a recipe from one of the cookbooks in the library's collection.
Yes, and today we have a cookbook from
Which app do we have with our ebooks and our e-audiobooks?
the Libby app.
The Libby app. We went with the Libby app again today, and we found a great recipe book called Popcorn Party. I'm gonna get a treat for Duke. You keep.
Okay.
So what could you do with a popcorn party?
You could watch movies, have some amazing popcorn, and enjoy.
Or who knows, if you had a lemonade stand, you could make little baggies of popcorn snacks.
Yeah, you can do many ways with popcorn. And today, we decided to make...
Do you remember what it's called? Here, we're gonna look on we have our Libby app here on our computer. And I'm gonna log in, it's called
Cheesy Ranch Popcorn Party Mix.
So super simple recipe, very kid friendly.
Yes.
I think there's some great options even if you have some diet restrictions. You can there's a lot of different recipes in this book, so there's a lot of different options for lots of different people, right? So let's get started.
Awesome.
Okay, really let's count the ingredients here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients.
5 ingredients, all right? We actually already popped our popcorn. How many cups of popcorn does the recipe call for you?
8 cups. So we have 4 cups here, and we're gonna measure 4 cups in here to make 8 cups.
So Morgan's gonna go ahead and measure the rest of those 4 cups out. And it's kind of fun if you have a little extra time, no matter what time of year. This is a fun snack to make at home with your kiddos. And you can probably mix and match different recipes in here, depending upon, there's some that have chocolate. We're doing more of a savory, salty kind of snack, but lots of fun, interesting options that are so simple. Oh,
Lost popcorn.
Do you know, well, I know who will find that. Duke loves popcorn.
Yes.
So we found a recipe that is a little bit dog friendly. He doesn't need to eat all the goodies in here, but he could have a couple samples, right?
Yes, definitely.
How are we doing?
And that is 8 cups.
Perfect. So we have 8 cups of popped popcorn. Next it says, and you're gonna, if there's any unpopped kernels, and we were careful not to add any of those in.
Yes.
So now we are going to add a 1/2 cup of small cheese crackers to this. So we're gonna take a 1/2 cup.
And we just use Cheez-Its for this.
But there's other brands out there. Might have to, oh yeah, that might work. You do you. While Morgan's doing that, I just want to remind everyone that, of course, we're into the start of summer, maybe a few extra, what do you think? Into the start of summer at the library, which means it's summer reading program library time.
Yay! Second.
That's great. Yep, we'll tuck those in. And now we get a 1/2 cup of mini pretzel twists.
Great.
So again, super simple. I even saw there was gluten-free pretzels now at the store. So that's something that you need to be aware of. And probably add a few more in there.
Yeah.
So sign up for summer reading if you haven't. You can go to our website at www.carverlib.org you can stop in at our library branches, any of them, and have one of our talented staff members get you signed up and get your kids reading for the summer and earning prizes. So lots of fun. What are you doing?
I need some extra.
You need some extras? Okay. So let's mix that up a little bit.
All right.
Mix all those together.
Just use your spatula.
Yep, use the spatula. Get that going. All right. That looks great.
Awesome.
And then we are going to, I'm just reading the recipe here. We're gonna drizzle 4 tablespoons of butter over the top.
All right.
So, yep, drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. See, I hear Duke. He's munching on the popcorn that fell on the floor. And then the last thing we're gonna do.
Duke.
Hi, buddy.
I'm really wanting some of this popcorn.
We have some ranch dressing seasoning. And we're gonna add a tablespoon, just 1 tablespoon, and kind of sprinkle it over. You might just be able to dig like right in there. Yeah.
Duke.
Dukester, you gotta wait. We're not done yet. How we doing, kid?
Good, that good?
Yep, that's great. And then sprinkle it. You're my best sprinkler.
Yes, I am.
And then take that spatula again. And mix it up. And voila, that's our recipe, Morgan.
Very quick and easy.
Ooh, that smells good.
Yes, it does.
And you may decide you want to add more crackers or pretzels, up to you.
And there's no limit.
All right, looking great. So in addition to signing up for the summer reading program, there's lots of great programs happening at all of our branches, some in the libraries, some outside in some of the wonderful parks that our cities offer. So head to our web calendar and check that out, or stop in and get a summer reading program brochure at one of our branches.
Duke,
Make them sit for it.
Duke.
Oh.
Duke. Duke. Sit. Good boy.
Good boy. That was a good idea, Marks. Okay, give it a little stir here. Looking good. What do you think?
It smells amazing. It also looks amazing.
So how fun is that? Just kind of a fun, easy, quick, different like variation snack that you can just make at home.
Yeah.
All right. What do you think?
Ready?
Yeah. How are we gonna do this?
Now.
Okay.
Ready?
Mhm.
Oh my god, I get
I know. Gotta get like the whole flavor package,
Okay.
right?
Cheers. Oh, that was really good.
I like that. Mhm. What do you think? We'll give Duke some popcorn too. Yeah, it's just the right amount of ranch dressing.
Yeah.
Delicious. So that's a quick, easy recipe. Exactly. So we encourage you to check out the Libby app because there's so many fun cookbooks on there. But come into our libraries too. We've been really getting some just really fantastic new cookbooks in, lots of fun stuff to browse on the shelves for both kids and adults.
Yeah.
So check it out. Anything else you want to mention about what's happening at the library this summer?
Well, I mean,
Always lots of good stuff.
yeah.
Pick up your summer reading program sheets,
Yes.
or you can do it on the Beanstack app online. So we just wanted to share all that great information. Keep reading all summer, right?
Yes, I know I am.
Because your teachers will be so happy when you come back in the school year and you've been reading, keeping your skills up. So that's fantastic. And Duke wants to be part of this too. Hey, bud, you sit. Good boy. He's getting a yummy popcorn snack. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in to Cooking in the Kitchen.
Yes, and we are happy to be back. So, when's our next one?
Not till fall. So we should say, see ya. Have a great summer, everyone. Come and see us at the library.
Yes, we would love that.
All right, we're signing off. We're going to have some more delicious variation on this party popcorn snack mix.
we need to make some more.
I think your dad's gonna like it too. All right. See you all soon at the library.